Hey guys, let's do a review of the Milwaukee 10-foot pole saw. This is the M18 Professional Pole Saw, and I'm only using one of the attachments, and this thing rips through things very fast. In fact, it's high torque because of that brushless motor. It is awesome. It beats anything I've ever used before in other pole saws I borrowed from friends and family, and this is why this is a professional grade pole saw. Cuts through 4 inches of wooden limbs and stuff very quick. It also uses a lot of bar and chain oil, so be ready for that. The bar and chain oil does keep it very moist for the chain, but also seems to leak a little in terms of when it's in the reservoir. I basically just put a front on and added bar and chain oil. I think for my entire yard, front and back, cutting through all these branches and anything from 2 inches to 4 inch thick branches and limbs. Basically, it took up about half a quart of bar and chain oil. Pretty awesome. I even used it to hedge just using a chainsaw, and it is so cool. Now, there's other attachments with this for hedging as well as a weed whacker, but all I really need is that chainsaw, the pole saw part. And oh, by the way, using it for the first time, the chain will pop off because it just loosens up. Quick fix, basically just have their tool ready and or screwdriver and just tighten it. Loosen the main nut, tighten it, took 2 seconds. Cleaning this was also very easy. I just used a garden hose and rinsed out all the stuck debris and used WD-40 to take out the moisture and then just let it hang dry. I did take off the motor when I let it hang dry, so this is how I store it. It just hangs on the hook, and it's pretty cool. Again, this is about 6 feet in length. There's also another 3-foot attachment that comes with, which was really cool. Again, this M18 system is very powerful. It has a brushless motor, and it's extremely fast and high torque. So that's probably why it's professional grade. Batteries lasted a good 40 minutes on my, I think, an 8 amp battery. So it's pretty cool. It did my entire yard pretty much in one charge. That was roughly 30, 40 minutes or so. So very cool. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.